lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, this right here. So today I'm preparing a very special meal. It's called githeri. It's a Kenyan traditional meal made out of maize and beans. So most of you have tasted githeri, but hey, this is the most perfect way you can ever prepare it. So first and foremost, we need ash, and it's what I'm preparing here. So you get your ash and sieve it. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's start our video. So we start by sieving our ash because it has some charcoal in it, some stones, and some remaining pieces of firewood. So we sieve it properly and take out all those pieces and make sure it's very fine. Well, now that everything is set, I'll go ahead and light my fireplace. But hey, welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, this is my kitchen. It's a sunny place, but it's very okay because it's open. And I'm lucky it's not a rainy season yet, so I can cook from outside. So I'll go ahead and light. Okay, so now I'm done setting the fire. It's time for cooking. Now I'll get a saucepan. Now that the water is almost boiling, I'll go ahead and add the maize. And then the ash. So ash is the one that makes this githeri come out perfectly because it will remove the cover from the maize. So I'll go ahead and pour in the ash. So this is the sieved ash. So when you put ash, the maize will turn color. Just like you can see. So I'll let it boil for a few minutes until the skin is off. So that's about 30 to 40 minutes. I'll just keep on adding fire. So after a few minutes, let's check on our maize. Okay, it's hot. Well, the skin goes off properly. So all this you see is the skin. But it's mixed up with the ash. So this is now clear maize. It has no skin on it. So that has been 20 minutes. I'll let it sit for another 10 minutes, then I'll come and take it off. So finally, our maize is ready. Oh la la. So the skin now goes off properly, and this upper thing also goes off. Now it's time for washing it. Okay, let's go. So now we are done setting the water on fire. You can see this is plain water. Quickly wash our beans. So always in 2 cups of maize, we put 1 cup of beans. Any cup you use, as long as it's 2 cups maize, it's 1 cup beans. And then cover. So now let's go wash the maize. Well, finally, our maize is right here, skin free. So you've seen the easiest way of removing skin from maize. Now it's time for mixing them. So the beans are boiling. I just go ahead and pour in the maize. Just as easy as that. So this will take between 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours for the beans and the maize to be ready. So I'll just keep on adding fire or water in case needed. But for now, I'll just cover. So after some time, you can see the water has reduced. But it's not yet ready. You can see it has started getting tender. So here you can see clearly that the maize doesn't have any skin on it. I'll just add in more water. So it's a few hours later and our githeri is ready. So now you can see the beans are soft and the maize too. So at this stage I'll go ahead and add in the salt. So by the time the water is finished, the salt will be fully dissolved. And I'll also add in chili flakes. Okay. Well, this is the very perfect way to make githeri. It's really tasty. It's delicious. The maize is soft enough, no skin on it, so there is nothing to stick in the teeth. It's just okay. I'll cover it and let it cook until the salt mixes properly. Well, I guess that's enough. Now I've finished washing the saucepan, so I'll put it back. Okay, cooking oil. That's enough. So now I'll go ahead and pour in the githeri.
Going to eat githeri.
Okay, it's done. So there is no perfect way to take githeri, but with a cup of tea. The aroma is just something else.
Yeah, the githeri is nice.
It's nice. That's good. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly, if you consider subscribing to my channel, share this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.